going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Right now I'm heading to Streetcar Takeover in Concord, North Carolina. Streetcar Takeover is going to be here tonight, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Tonight is actually just a meetup night. We're meeting at Twin Peaks in Concord, and then tomorrow and Saturday they're going to be doing some roll racing, some drag racing, have some different car shows with prizes and stuff like that. I got a kind of a busy weekend, so I don't think I'm going to be able to make it out to the races and to the car shows. So I'm going to go out to the meetup tonight, check out some of the really fast cars that are going to be out there, look at the vendors, and meet up with some cool people, check out some cars. Let's head there. I've never been there, actually. This is my first time going. Didn't make it out there last year. I heard they were going to be in town, so I knew I could make a little bit of time to get out there. So let's go check it out. I just made it to Twin Peaks in Concord, North Carolina. And oh my gosh, this show is way bigger than what I was expecting it to be. Like I said, this is my first time coming here, so looks like there's a lot of cars. Pretty much everybody out from Charlotte and a lot of other surrounding places that have their cars out here. They've actually taken over pretty much the whole mall parking lot. I had to park right near the mall, so I'm pretty far away from Twin Peaks, but I'm gonna walk over there, check it out, see what all the cars there are, and look at some of the vendors. Let's go check them all out. Busy, but just found this Skyline GTR. Man, this thing looks good. Underground racing Lamborghini Huracan right there. Twin turbo. Tell, but this show is completely or everywhere. Look at this thing.
Same here, yeah. Just put spray pipes on it, make it sound amazing, and just try to it's got exhaust on it, and pretty much overall, you know, this thing. Man, that thing is a monster. Yeah, another underground racing. Another twin turbo Huracan. There's 3 of them here. Mobile dyno over here. Got a 5 Mustang on there right now. Doing dyno runs in the parking lot. GTR is absolutely slammed to the ground. He's got to be on bags. It's got the dry carbon spoiler. Man, that thing is low. It's about as low as you can go. I'm trying to get a good video of how big this show is, but the show is all right down over there in that sea of people. 2 cars as far as your eye can see. And this whole parking lot over here. Also, all down over there. That's where I parked my car. Is way down there near the mall. There's a lot of cars here. A lot of loud music. Some airbags. Like the champagne in there. Curtains. Slammed to the ground. It's got the marble in this inside there. Check out this Corvette. 2 bottles of nitrous in there. Carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber wing. Carbon fiber roof. Giant Mickey racing plates. It's Mike Coon's RX-8. He races this thing, and he also takes some of the coolest pictures on Instagram. You guys should definitely follow him. I'll put his tag in the bottom. It's Mike Coon Racing. Mustang. It's really cool. So a lot of these cars are actually going to be on the track tomorrow. Really showing everybody how fast they are. A couple Vipers right here. Yeah. This thing is a monster.
What is he doing?
It's got a parachute on the back.
Sure, but they're testing in
This GTR sounds good. There's 86 up there. Wide body Mustang right there. How wide that thing is. Wow. I just did a giant burnout right there. They're probably going to be in trouble. Streetcar Takeover in Charlotte right now, and I have got to say that is the craziest car meet I have ever been to in my entire life. It's only 8:45 right now. It's supposed to be going on until about 11 p.m. tonight. People are literally lined up and down the street, parked all over this mall. People are doing burnouts, doing donuts in the parking lot. People are revving their engines. Very, very crazy. The police are everywhere. They're pulling people over left and right. Obviously, I'm not going to go do anything stupid right now because I'm not trying to get a ticket or anything, or hurt somebody in the crowd. So hopefully everybody stays safe out there. But right now it's looking like it's getting a little crazy. Anyways, hopefully the races go really well tomorrow. I might make it out there. I might not. But if I do, I'll definitely bring this camera with me and get a little bit of the vlog going for you guys. Thanks for watching today's episode. We just hit 300 subscribers this morning, so really excited about that. Anyways, hope you guys have a great night, and if you haven't already, smash that like and subscribe button. Peace.